Radio Communications Starter Guide by Ron Trout, aka KK6QPP, WQXD723, WRYV681, Oscar 03. The purpose of this guide is help learn the basics of radio communications for the beginner. Why do I need a two-way radio? Do I need a license? What equipment do I need? What is the right radio for me? How much will it cost? Where can I make a purchase? Simple steps to take your communication skills to the next level. Why do I need a two-way radio? Importance, relevance, and significance. Importance. Stay in contact with family, friends, or groups when cell service is down, no TV or landlines are available. Two-way radios do not need the power grid to operate. Can be used when everything else fails. Relevance. Connect with family and friends when separated because of work or school. Communicate at the workplace when separated by distance. Transfer critical information when it matters. Significance. During most large emergencies, cell service is quickly overwhelmed. There are many frequencies and bands to meet different needs. The more people that have these skills, the better for all of us. What works best may be different for everyone. Assess your unique needs and requirements. Purchase the proper equipment. Learn how to use your new equipment. Practice and network with others. Assess your unique needs and requirements. Some radios can reach very long distances, while others only work for short distances. If you live in the mountains, you will need repeater capabilities. If you do not plan on studying and taking the amateur radio license test, then I recommend the GMRS license, General Mobile Radio Service. GMRS has a one-time fee of $35 without the need to take a test. GMRS radios have repeater capabilities that work well in the mountains. If short distance and line of sight works for you, then an FRS, Family Radio Service, radio is suitable. A license is not required, and these radios are readily available at many locations. Purchase the proper equipment. FRS, Family Radio Service, lets you communicate over a short distance, from a quarter to 1 mile using a maximum of 2 watts. FRS does not require a license and can be found at many big box stores. GMRS, General Mobile Radio Service, transmits with no more than 8 watts, and you can expect a communications range of 5 to 25 miles. GMRS requires a $35 fee with no test and is available to an individual to facilitate the activities of licensees and their immediate family members. A Radioddity GM30 radio is $34.99 on Amazon.com. Register and apply for GMRS license at https://apps.fcc.gov/corsweb/publichome.do. Learn how to use your new equipment. FRS radios are very simplistic with almost no skills required. GMRS radios come out of the box with many pre-programmed frequencies and ready to use. However, they will need to be programmed with repeater tones to accommodate your local area. Knowing how and who to communicate with is critically important. If an emergency arises and you don't know the correct channel to use or how to properly send and receive information, you will not only be helpless but may also disrupt critical emergency traffic from other more skilled operators. Understanding your equipment and the importance of learning radio communication skills cannot be underemphasized. Practice and network with others. Research and find your local ham radio club. They will have plenty of information about the frequencies and times that they practice. You can listen in to learn about radio etiquette and SOPs for your area. Most all clubs have training for all levels of experience and are happy to help in your learning process. Learn what an emergency practice net is and how you can get involved. Find out if your area has a neighborhood radio watch program using the GMRS radios. If there is none yet, then you can start one. Learn and practice so that you will be proficient with radio communication and ready when the next emergency happens. Summary. Assess your unique needs and requirements. Purchase the proper equipment. Short distance equals FRS, Family Radio Service. Cost, $20 to $50 at Walmart, Amazon, or eBay. Longer distance equals GMRS, license fee of $35, no test. Radio cost, $35 to $50 at Amazon. Worldwide equals ham radio, must study, $15 to test for license. Radios cost $30, with no upper limit. Learn how to use your new equipment. Practice and network with others. To learn more, contact your local radio club for testing to get your ham license. They will also be able to help you learn all aspects of radio communications and what radio will be best for your area. T-Cares. Tuolumne County Amateur Radio and Electronics Society. http://tcares.net. Also see these other short videos. Two-way radio etiquette for beginners. https://youtube.be/h-2hfjlh2. Radio communication networks for beginners. https://youtube.be/zibv6wvxfpk.